Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to turn a Stylophone beat on and off. And this will be an easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a Stylophone beat. I recently got this and I experimented with it for a little bit. I tried it out for a bit and it is so cool, okay? And I wanted to make some tutorial videos with it, and you know, one of the most basic things is turning it on and off, so I figured I'd show you how to turn it on and off. It's really easy to do. Obviously, you got to make sure it has batteries in it that work. You want functional batteries in it with a healthy charge, and then, you know, once you know that it has batteries, then you can turn it on and off. It's very simple. If you take a look on the side here, so this is the front of it that you can see. We're gonna look on the side. There's a little switch over here, and the switch actually shows like a power logo. Okay, very simple. So to turn it on, we're going to take the switch and we're going to flick it like that, and you can see the light turned on. Okay, and to turn it off, we're going to turn it the other way, flick it the other way, just like that. And then now the light turned off. Once again, to turn it on, we're going to flip the switch this way. The light turned on, and I don't even need to show you this, but you can hear. Obviously it's on, okay? And then to turn it off, we're gonna take the switch and we are going to flip it the other way. And now the light is off. It is obviously off. You can hear it's not working anymore because it's off. Very simple. That is how to turn it on and off. Really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point, and hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.